Okay, I'm going to show you how to change that file header in Geany so that you don't have to retype the header every time you make a new Java file. So on Windows, we're going to go to the Start menu. We're going to search by just typing Notepad. We're going to right-click it, then click Run as Administrator, left-click. You say yes. Now we go to File, Open. And so here we're gonna have to do some digging. So we'll go to this PC, the C drive. I think it'll probably be the same for everyone. My Geany lives in Program Files x86. Geany, and then in Data, Templates. And we're going to switch this file to all files. And we see a bunch of them here. So I'm going to just click up here really quick. If you want, you can type in something like that into the top part of your File Explorer on Windows, and it should take you right to this screen if you installed it in the default place. So that's that. Okay, but now so we're going to open this file header file. And so yours won't look like this. Yours will have probably a bunch of things with with curly braces around something. I think GPL, because it uses the new public license. But yeah, you can go ahead and copy and paste this. I'll have this in the description of the video or somewhere on my website. But you can put this in there, and this will show up in the comment section of every Java file that you do. So I would advise doing something like this. You could create markers over here like that or something to draw your attention to it. But this way, if it's all caps, you can double click the whole thing and rename it. But I'd also put an enter there. There's an enter character. So just watch that. That'll just put the end comment line there. So, but anyway, when you have that file looking how you want it. Oh, real quick, this date in curly braces will automatically put the date into the file or into the text format that I want your date in. So leave that date in there or put that in there. So, okay. So then when you have it in the shape that you want, just do save. And then you can close this. And then when you open Geany and you go to new main.java, it has what you just entered. There you go.